Hey guys, I'm down at Surfex today with Alan. He is teaching me how to wrap kitchen cabinets. So I'm going to pass this over to you because I have no clue where to start.
Well, the best way to start is to start cleaning the surface first. So if you grab your methylated spirit there and your cloth.
Okay.
So the best way, spray your cleaning product onto the cloth.
Okay.
So once we've cleaned the door, we're then going to use primer 94. What we'll do with the primer, we're just going to go around all the edges. That way we're going to ensure the correct adhesion and that it's never going to lift up.
Got it.
Thank you. So now that we've waited 15 minutes, this is now ready just to be wrapped. So if you just kind of make sure that there's nothing on that top surface that's going to cause you any issues.
No, I think we're good.
If you pick up that pre-cut vinyl that I've already cut for you, then start by taking the back edge and just peel that back, just like so. And then you'll know you've got the whole door covered.
Got you. Okay. Do I need a glove? You've got a glove.
Yes. So if you pop yours on, it just makes it easier. See, for putting these bits down.
The MJ glove.
The MJ glove, yeah. Because at the start I
That's
was
what we're
like,
calling
that. But I use it every day now.
Okay.
Right. So once we're ready to start wrapping, you've got the vinyl into place. If you get your squidgy, and then you'll be able to just peel the underside backing paper. If you just
I think I've got a bubble already.
If you just start to peel the backing paper away, and then with your squidgy, go back and forward, or left and right. See. One's there. That's it.
Okay, right.
Yeah, so coming to the corners, the best way I would recommend doing this is use your thumb and just push against that corner there. That way you're going to expose the corner of the door and you're going to know where to cut.
Yeah.
And using your knife, we're going to cut at a 45-degree angle, just like that. Brilliant. And then with the little flick parts that you've got, if you just bring them around the door, just like that, just.
Oh, yep.
And
this
then,
one.
yep, both sides. And then what we're going to do is just cut at least 2 mil off of that little flick that we just done. So just like.
Okay, got it. Okay.
Brilliant. So then, to finish off the door, once we've done the top and bottom side, we would then do the door sides here. So just untake your flip again, and then realistically just the exact same, coming down them edges with a good bit of pressure on your fingers.
Okay.
And then to finish off, you would use some post heat at the end. That way we're just heating the doors on the corners here just to make them less kind of sharp as such. So all we do is just apply a little bit of heat. And then once we've heated all the corners and all the edges, you then should have a lovely looking marble door.
How would you rate my door right now, out of 5?
It's not the worst I've seen.
Okay, that's
A
positive.
couple of bubbles, but
There is a
can
few.
work on that.
Oh yeah, there is. The more I look at it. Okay, here we go, guys. Thanks.
Started.
Thank you.
Thank you.